Hello children, welcome to Primary 1. This is ICT class. Alright, let's quickly look at what we'll be looking at today. Today we're looking at Introduction to Computer. And I have a screenshot of how the ICT room looks like. When you come to school, you'll be seeing something like that when you come to school. Now in today's class, we'll be looking at different things in the computer room. At the end of the class, we should be able to mention things we can find in the computer room and also mention rules in the ICT room. Now let's quickly look at some things we can find in the ICT room. That is also the computer room. Now in the ICT room, we can find the printer, we can find the projector, the scanner, camera, and of course we can find the computer. Now the picture you're seeing over there is a picture of a desktop computer. In the subsequent class, we'll be looking at different types of computer. We have the laptop and all that. We can also find air conditioner in the ICT room. And of course, you have the interactive whiteboard, which is also popularly referred to as the smart board. Your teacher will be using a lot of this when you come to school. Now let's quickly look at some rules in the computer room. Now in the computer room, you need to be sure that your hands are clean before you handle the computer. You need to ensure that your hands are clean of any form of dirt, oil, and so on. The second rule, do not eat or drink near the computer. Whenever you come to the ICT room, you are not allowed to eat or drink so that you don't spill any form of liquid on the computer. Then you need to ask for permission before going on a website. Before you log on to any website, you need to ask for permission from the teacher. You don't just open web pages without the consent of the teacher. Then we also need to learn to handle the equipment in the ICT room with care. Equipment here are things that you can find in the ICT room like computer, the projector, just like we looked at in the previous slides. So we handle them with care so that they do not get spoiled. And of course, when you're done using your computer, you log out. Logging out means you're shutting down your computer. And then you need to be quiet and respectful to those around you. Anytime you come to the ICT room, you are expected to be quiet so that we can learn in a quiet environment. Also, you need to raise your hand if you need help. If you need help with anything, maybe your computer is not working, or you need to ask a question, you put up your silent finger and your teacher points at you before you talk. Now let's take a look at some of the quizzes you need to answer after this lesson.